Hello everybody. Once again, this is Ankur Barik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I am going to unbox another product that is a dual motor height adjustable desk, which is right in front of you. So you must be thinking that if it is already unboxed, how I am going to show you the unboxing video. So before moving forward, I wish everybody is staying safe in this 2021 and a happy Independence Day to all of you. Let's begin with the unboxing of this dual motor height adjustable desk. Some of you might say that who unboxes a table, right? So this is not just a simple table. This is a dual motorized height adjustable table. So definitely in this work from home situation, you will be benefited with this product. How is that? Long hours, you definitely sit down on your office chair or you lie down on your beds and work for the office. So definitely you will be thinking, why to unbox a table? So this is just not a simple table. This is a dual motor height adjustable electric table. And this table does not come pre-assembled. You have to assemble it at your place. So here in the time-lapse video, you will see how we have assembled the entire table and put it into place. So as you might see, I have installed the entire set of components of this table, and it's pretty easy with the instruction manual provided in the box. You can easily assemble this tabletop and the components of the table within close to 1 or 2 hours with the help of somebody, or you can do it alone as well. So I hope you can see how much easy is it to install this particular table. Let's come to the tabletop that we have here. The material that is used is a walnut lamination that I have ordered for me. That is also from the ErgoU. However, you also get another option of wood grain lamination finish. The table quality is well built and the thickness is 25 mm, which is pretty good enough for a table to have a good amount of weight on it. Even if you wish, you can definitely go ahead and make a custom build of your tabletop with your own specification and fit it to this height adjustable table. So the tabletop that I have purchased is of a dimension of 1200 mm to 600 mm. You also have an option for a 1500 mm to 750 mm to suit your working purpose. So now that you know, you can definitely customize your tabletops. Let's come to the build quality of this table. This is a very sturdy build quality that we have here, with the legs built up of stainless steel and painted quite well. As you can see, the tabletop is well balanced on the two legs and it can carry up to 120 kgs of weight. So you do not need to worry about how much capacity you can carry. It's 120 kgs on a tabletop, which is really high, and definitely you can adjust 2 dual monitors along with other home studio setups for your own. So this table, you can purchase it in multiple configurations, both manual and electric. The manual one has a lever which you turn and adjust your height, and the another one is a motorized one. The motorized version has two different modes, that is 2-stage motor and the 3-stage motor. So if you are around 6 feet of height, you can go for an option of 2-stage motor. If you're more than that, you can definitely opt for 3-stage motor. Now coming to the height adjustability of this table, the table has a sturdy height adjustable frame. The table can adjust to any height between 665 mm to 1315 mm with the tabletop. It is stable even at the maximum height. To adjust the height of this table, you have a LCD panel given here. The control handset with the LCD display comes with the 4 preset buttons. The sleek handset allows you to control the height accurately. The panel also features an LCD display indicating the exact height and 4 customizable memory preset buttons, so that you can adjust the table to your preferred height with the press of a button. Now let me show you how you can adjust this table. So the given 4 preset buttons are very useful and handy in nature. You can adjust the height of the table by press of a single button. As you can see here, we can easily adjust the height with the press of buttons 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Let me also show you how you can utilize these 4 preset buttons up to your personal customization values. To do so, long press hold the M button or the memory preset button. While the LCD starts blinking, press your desired preset button to set the adjustable height. Now, when you press the respective other buttons, you can definitely check that your preset has been successfully registered. Well, so now you might have a question in your mind that whether the height of this table gets retained if there is no power supply. Well, yes. So whenever you adjust the height of the table, only then you will require the power. Otherwise, it doesn't matter whether it is power off or power on, the height retains to the adjustable position last you have maintained. So now that we have seen the entire specification of the table, let's move on to the availability and service warranty of this product. So coming to the service warranty, this product has a 2-year service warranty and a free shipping delivery within 7 days to all the Tier 1 cities in India. People residing other than the Tier 1 cities might face a bit of delay in the courier package delivery. Now coming to the replacement and return policy, the company claims that if any of the parts appears to be dead on arrival, then it can be replaced by them within 4 working days. In case if you choose to return the entire product, you can do the same within 10-day return policy mentioned by the company. The price range of this product ranges about from 25,000 to 42,000 approximately, depending upon either manual or electric motorized adjustable table you are purchasing from. You will have several other options, imported items as well. Definitely you should have a check and purchase as per your like. So now that you have come to the end of this video, you have seen the unboxing and review of this particular table. I am pretty well enjoying it, and definitely I would think that you would be also able to enjoy the same freedom of working from home as well. So any other questions that you might have, put down in the comment section below and I would like to answer them for you. So until the next video, till then, see you, take care, bye bye, stay safe and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Happy Independence.